Alright, we are going to show how my Hydras do with the two switchblades fully. This is the Chameleon campaign, and we'll see how it goes. Entered late, but that's okay. So, and hopefully I could count how many times I get hit while doing this target. So far I haven't gotten hit by the missile. Just the wow. It's performing really good. Now the true test is with multiple missiles, so I mean I don't think we have a multiple missile one here. But I don't think I've gotten hit by that missile yet. Alright, that looked pretty good. So I will do another test because no person needs the campaign done, and so I will test a phalanx compared to a switchblade. Um, Only problem is the phalanx is an old Punisher that I have. I've already refitted my Hydra with switchblade. My Buccaneers have switchblades, so I can't really test it between those two fleets. But I do, I can see a difference between that. But let me show the Hydra build real quick, and then the Punisher that I'm going to use. Now the Punisher, I believe, is better because it has frontline countermeasure system. I'm not sure. Let's see. Where you at? Where you at, Punisher? This is one of my old Punishers. Back was doing the. Yeah, this is not the original one. This is an old one. Yeah, this one has a frontline countermeasure system. It does have Phalanx 4s. The Tridents and Sprints I do have on there. But it won't do anything compared to the to do with the missile, because the missile will not be countered by the countermeasure damage type. The only thing it can be countered by is the anti-penetrating. So that's the build that I have compared to anti-missile range, anti-missile accuracy 35%. Um, so this is my Hydra, my switchblade Hydra. I'm going to add in 2 more just in case, because I know there's some targets in the 80s set that has high missile count. So it's 1 missile per switchblade, and the reload is kind of crappy. So of course you'll need multiple switchblades. Depending on the countermeasure loaders 3. If you have countermeasure loaders 3, it will do good on it'll have a. No, it doesn't have a countermeasure for reload. Okay, so it doesn't have a reload stat on it for the countermeasures. Anyways, It'll have an anti-mortar range, anti-missile range, and an accuracy. So it does have 35 accuracy, so they're the same, but one has phalanx 4s and the other one has switchblades. So I'll test it out and kind of just show how one does and one doesn't do. But this is my build for my anti-missile Hydra. Going to have 4 switchblades on it. Now, a good thing, a really important thing in this one is the multiplex charge doubler. This is what makes the switchblade so much better, or perform better, is because it has the plus multi-shot of 2. So normally that goes good for multi-shot weapons like scatter guns or the radon slinger and stuff like that. But it really actually boils down, it helps the switchblade out a lot because the switchblade has a multi-shot of 2. And so that special will add 2 more multi-shot to that, so that's 4 times. So with the accuracy of 54 plus the 35% anti-missile accuracy, you're looking at a better accuracy of I don't know math off the top of my head, but it's it's pretty good accuracy 4 times for one 4 shots for 1 missile. So you have 4 tries for 1 missile per switchblade. And so that's why you need more switchblades, is because of the reload. The reload isn't too awfully good, but it's still, can do, the more you have, the better. So, and that's why I put 4 switchblades on my, let me go look at the Buccaneer. Yeah, this one. That's why I put 4 on it, because the reload isn't that good. Now, I did this one different. I don't have countermeasure loader 3 on this one, but I do have countermeasure loader 3 on the other ones because of the sprints and also because of the ballistic reload. So I do have this is I have the same build for all my Buccaneers except for this last special, which is anti-proliferation system, anti-missile proliferation system, which adds 1 multi-shot and it adds better accuracy. So the drawbacks of this is you can't put the proliferation system on the Hydra if you have the multiplex on it, because it messes with the multi-shot. So in this case, you'll have 3 multi-shot instead of 4, like the multiplex does for the Hydras. Now, the difference is this one's better in a way because you're having 5% more anti-missile accuracy. So it's that's 5. It's better than the Hydra build in a way, but they still have their plus and minuses. For this one, I had, because it doesn't have the reload for it, and I was noticing that I was getting hit because they wasn't catching up with all the missiles. I had put 4, and it fixed the problem instantly. Oh, I do have the phase cannon. Okay. But yeah, that's my Buccaneer build right there, and my Hydra build. That's not right. This one. Forget about that one. So multiplex charger is it's kind of like, why wouldn't you put switchblades on it, because of it has an added benefit of the multi-shot. So and that's just my personal opinion, because I've seen how the Phalanx 4 works, and I had it on the Hydra, and it was doing okay. It would keep on getting hit, but in this case, I didn't see any of the missiles hit and create the fire field in that target, which it used to be hit maybe 4 times in the target, or a little bit more than that, or I didn't have a specific, but most of the time they wouldn't hit. But there was several occasions that it could, it did. But yeah, and that's my build. I'll do another video testing out my Punisher that has an anti-missile on it. So just prepare for that one that's coming up soon. So until next time, pirates, keep on going.